Okay, my bike arrived today, and I'm about to put it together. I've never put a bike together before, and I have not had a bike since I was a kid. I mean, even when I was a teen, I don't think I used the. Yeah, most of my teen life, I either walked or the bus. So, bike was when I was a kid. Um, it's 5:33 p.m. All day they've managed to keep me from putting this mask on that I got yesterday. Normally I do like a 3 series facial. I'm only putting this on today. Um, what I've been doing for the last 4 hours is like prepping the food that I'm gonna grill tonight. So that's like um, zucchini, squash, mushrooms, broccoli, and chicken. So let me take one of these. So yeah, I'm gonna be grilling a little bit. But oh, and I prepped curry chicken. I don't know if I'm gonna cook that tonight or tomorrow. But they managed to keep me from putting this mask on all motherfucking day. Like I said, I've been trying to do this for the last 4 hours or so. So I'm gonna put it on now. And I'm gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna put this phone on the tripod, and I'm gonna assemble this bike. How many drinks have I had? I think I'm on my fourth. 2 ounces apiece. Vodka. I haven't had any cognac. No whiskey. No gin. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on. Oh, I sprayed my porch off too earlier. My door has been dirty for the longest, and it really bothers me. Got to sip the cash. I'm not assembling these till later. But yeah, I came down and I wrote this up. Where's my head?